I spent less than $100 on these two boxes, but the value inside is easily more than $600. Is IPSY actually a glitch in the matrix, or I'm just getting lucky? Today we're unboxing the IPSY Ultimate and IPSY Extra to see if it's a total steal or just a bunch of filler. Let's do the math. Hopsy Foxies, I'm Stasya Hops and I'm beauty content creator. And I'm just starting over doing my long form videos here. If you can support me with like and any comment, it will help me a lot, because it's really important for me, especially now. Thank you so much. Let's start. First of all, let me explain. For those who don't know, IPSY is kind of personalized beauty subscription. Basically, you take this quick quiz to share your makeup and skincare preferences. For example, if you're not into mascara, you just mark that down and boom, you will not get any mascara in your box. You can also match your skin tone, so your shades will be also on point. And voila, you will get a mix of new products and some viral bestsellers every month, or quarterly if you choose the Ultimate box. I'm leaving the link to the quiz in my description, so we can try it after the video. Okay, now we're here. This video is super useful for you because I will compare actually two boxes. The one that is more expensive, this is Ultimate box, and we will start with this. Ultimate box costs you $65 per quarter, and this box is supposed to bring the most value in products. Let's see. The box itself, I will show you each product one by one. If you not follow me yet, it's time. You follow Stasya Checks. First thing first, if Saint Laurent, seriously, it's the... Yeah, I'm too excited for this story. Because we have a Saint Laurent lip balm, that famous candy glaze lip balm. And the actual price is $42 for this lip balm. Seriously? Just for the lip balm? But look at this, it looks really expensive. It looks even more than $42. Just to remind that the whole box was $65 and only the first product is already $42. I'm not sure if I would advise anyone to buy this just a lip balm for $42, but it actually looks really expensive. Oh, it feels expensive on my lips. Like super shine, super bougie, total win. And this lip balm would perfectly work if you want to do some Korean lip combo, some viral gradient lip combo. If you want me a tutorial or a short video, just let me know in comments. But basically you just need this lip balm or any other glossy lip balm, bright lipstick, for example red or bright pink. You just apply it in the middle of your lips, just like two tiny dots. And then you take this and basically just apply like you normally do, and you'll get a lip ombre. So okay, the first product is a total win already. Let's see what's next. Something packed really well. Oh my, this is the skincare, luxury skincare. The actual price is $49. Some serious kind of skincare. A powerful detoxifying treatment designed to purify and rejuvenate your skin. Sorry, English is not my first language, as you can see, so I'm trying my best. It's supposed to deeply cleanse and refresh your skin. Honestly, I've never tried it before, so no thoughts. But again, it looks expensive. The next, some box in a box, sub box. Let's see what's inside. They're packing their product really good. Okay. Natasha Denona! I love it! I love it! I'm obsessed. Actually, I love Natasha Denona cosmetics so much. I already have their eyeshadow palette from IPSY Ultimate. It's just a real steal, a huge... Let me show you. This huge eyeshadow palette I already got in the previous Ultimate box. Look at this. I'm using it really often. But this one is my dream cheek trio blush and highlighter palette. Her blushes are world class. They're always super pigmented and blended really good. That's definitely a keep. Wow. Oops, what if something went wrong, but it's okay because it's a creamy highlighter. A blush, creamy highlighter, and just a highlight. Let's see. Oh, it looks again really expensive. Let me show you on my skin. I already have some makeup, but that's okay. We can layer it up. Let's add some kind of cream highlighter here and under my eyebrow. Wow. I don't know if my camera shows you exactly like it looks in real life, but it looks luxurious. Just believe me. And let me show you the blush. The shade itself looks really expensive. It's kind of, I don't know, it's not a pink, maybe it's some kind of brown, like brownish shade. It's really pigmented. Like, you have to be really careful with this, especially if you're trying to layer it. And all of these three products in one worked really great in combo. Okay, about $55 by the way. Oh, I see Rare Beauty. Finally, I've got something from Rare Beauty. I wanted that so much. That's something interesting, a huge box. Body cream. Oops, I hate packaging. Ah! You are rare. Oh, it's huge. It's really huge. I hope it smells fantastic. Oh. You know, when I think about Selena Gomez, I imagine this smell. Some sweet, cute, and fresh. It sounds weird, but I don't know how to explain this. The cream itself is really thick, comforting. Oh, it's like a souffle. Smells like a dream, like a childhood dream. Oh. The next one, Rodial Glass Primer. If you're obsessed with the glass skin trend, this one is a hidden gem. I hate boxes. Sorry. It's supposed to give you a flawless base before you apply the foundation. Wow, it's really glossy. It reminds me some Charlotte Tilbury, like how it's called, like some serum before the foundation that makes you glowy. On my skin, it basically gives some bronze effect. Like, I've added some bronzing drops. Hope you can see it. Really beautiful. Definitely goes to my top because I like radiant primers. And I actually still love this radiant skin and glossy skin trend, even though we're already going to the matte. Here we go, next. Something from Greece. Korres, if I'm spelling it correctly. Apothecary Wild Rose. Night Brightening Sleeping Facial Cream with vitamin C, brighten and plump. Actually, to be honest, I'm not gonna use it, especially now during summer, because come on, vitamin C and the sun? No, I'm not that risky. Even though I'm using the SPF every day and every time I'm going out, still I'm kinda cautious about vitamin C during summer. Please let me know if you use the vitamin C during summer and spring season, and let me know if you've ever had some problems with that. And we're going next. Oh, Makeup by Mario. I love this box. All the brands that are really viral now. This is lip cream and it's supposed to be matte. This lip cream gives that soft focus, blurred look. It feels like a cloud on your lips, like a velvet. But actually I'm not sure about the shade. And finally, the last product of this box, the Duo from Ciele. It's a dual-sided brush for blush. Yeah, for blush. It's a total must-have because one side is for the cream blush and the other side is for the powder blush, and especially if you love layering products. Okay, my foxes, we've done here. Let's move to the extra box. This one costs you $32 per month and you will get 5 full-size products every month. Let's see if it holds its own. Doo-doo! Oh wow, the Smashbox, we already talked about it before, but it's here. Basically, I have two primers. The one is radiant and this one is absolute classic. It's a mattifying primer. Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. It literally blurs your pores and make it smooth, like a filter. Let me try to show you. For example, here, you can see my skin is kinda shiny. We apply this primer and it blurs everything. It actually gives some mattifying effect even on my fingers. Let me show you on my nose. Like, just blurred everything. And just imagine if you apply it before the foundation. magic. Everyone now is obsessed with Ordinary, and it's here. The Ordinary SPF. Must have for a season. Something new. Toy Factory highlighter palette. Something you have never heard about adding niacinamide into the makeup, actually. It should work like a makeup and skincare in one. But to be honest, this palette looks cheap. Maybe it's because of the packaging, because the packaging looks really cheap. But the highlighters are actually really shiny. Super shimmery. Does it look cheap for me only or for you too? Maybe it looks cheap, but it costs $40 for this palette. And I remind you, for this IPSY Extra box you pay $32. And only one product already costs you $40. That's a deal! Shades by Shan, the brow gel. It's so cute. Let's check it out on my bare brows. It's dual-sided, so you actually brush your eyebrows. Then you're trying to laminate it with the second side of this brush. Wow! Looks good. And what I love here, it's like you don't feel crunchy. Okay, about $18. And we're ending with some K-Beauty, $34. I personally love this brand. I already have some eye cream and it's really sheer, not sticky. This one is Morning Drizzle Calming Cream. It's supposed to be really lightweight. Look at this packaging. I love this lavender color. But I hope the smell won't be lavender. Oh no, it's lavender. I hate this scent. You will be surprised, but I hate lavender scent. I know that some people love it. Some people even have everything with lavender at their houses. I have this friend, yeah. Lavender soap, she loves lavender laundry, washing liquids and everything with lavender. But this is just a disaster for me. And this cream, maybe it's really good, but I can't bear this scent. I can't bear smelling lavender all the day long. Okay, let's do the final tally. 2 boxes are about $97 in total. And my haul is worth over $500. That's a massive win. If that's not a gold move, I don't know what is. If you want to try it for yourself or gift it to a friend, I will leave the link to the quiz in the description of this video. And let me know in comments what box would you choose, Extra or Ultimate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Stasya Checks. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.